Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miranda Cooper. I'm the Marketing Communications Manager of the Town of Blackfalds. I'm joined here by Mayor Richard Poole and Ken Morrison, our Director of Emergency Management. On April 30th, the province announced a relaunch strategy with Stage 1 to be implemented on May 14th. And while we still face a long road to recovery, our collective efforts of physical distancing, good hygiene practices, and staying safe together are helping slow the spread of COVID-19. As the province is slowly getting the economy going again and businesses are slowly opening, I am cautiously optimistic that as long as we look out for each other responsibly, we can start moving things forward. Therefore, in keeping with the province's guidelines, playgrounds remain closed at this time since they are required to be sanitized every 3 hours, and we simply do not have the manpower to make sure that happens. I am happy to announce, though, that we are opening our parks and have taken down the fences, including the All Wheels Park, Pine Crescent Skate Park, Bike Skills Park, and the tennis courts at the community center. All-Star Sports Park, including the Ball Diamonds and campground, are open to the public for casual use only, no organized team use. There will be no bookings will be accepted at this time, and please keep in mind that if you are going to use those parks, that bathroom facilities and the concession will not be available. Just a reminder to the users of these parks that we do have CCTV footage that will be monitoring, and regular rounds will be made by our enforcement officers to ensure people are physically distancing. The off-leash dog park, which has remained open during the pandemic, will continue to stay open. When visiting the parks, we respectfully ask that everyone keep the number to 14 people at any one time. This allows for one person to enforce the guidelines, should that be needed. Please respect and follow the signage, and we ask that you also keep your physical distance. There will be increased patrols of municipal enforcement and staff to monitor and promote compliance. Staff will ensure garbage bins are emptied regularly, and bins and benches will be cleaned on a weekly basis. All town facilities will remain closed to the public until the end of the month. We plan to open the Civic Cultural Center, FCSS, Wadey Center, and the Operations Center on May 25th. We will provide sanitation stations at the entrances and physical barriers at the reception areas. I just want to ask the public to visit our public facilities only if absolutely necessary and look at online solutions to complete any transactions. We ask that you avoid coming to our facilities when you are ill, and if you must come in, to follow the signage and floor markings. The date for Stage 2 of the province's relaunch is yet to be determined, but they have stated that it likely will not be earlier than June 19th. This includes the library. The Abbey Centre, because it is deemed a recreational facility, will not be open until Stage 3 of the relaunch plan. I cannot make any predictions, but we still hope to have the pool open this summer. We are also looking to open Tails Water Spray Park in Stage 3 of this relaunch plan. At this time, we will not be taking any facility bookings, nor are we providing summer camps until Stage 3. We will update our website with the most up-to-date information, including the town relaunch plan, on the coronavirus information page at blackfalds.com/COVID-19. Please continue to wash your hands, stay home when you are sick, maintain physical distance from others, stay socially connected, and look out for your friends, family, and the community as we progress through each stage. We need to depend on each other more than ever to do the right things. I will now pass things on to Mayor Richard Poole.
Thanks so much for those words, Miranda. Good afternoon, everyone. As the entire province is poised to restart, your council is excited about the changes outlined by Miranda. With your help, our town will slowly be getting back to a new normal. To celebrate this relaunch, we are organizing a family drive-in movie next Thursday for you and your family to enjoy. Please follow your Facebook or visit our events calendar on the town's website for details. That is listed below. The Lunchbox program is still going strong due to the generous support of our local businesses and all of our organizations. Since the program launched, we've distributed 700 lunches, 81 breakfasts, and we are seeing the number grow 10 each week. We are also noticing that the numbers have gone down at the food bank, which I interpret as a positive sign. If you'd like to access the lunch program or the breakfast program, please contact the FCSS program at 403-600-9066 to enroll. We are now in stage 1 of the province's relaunch program, and as our local businesses are slowly opening up, our Economic Development Officer is launching the Support Local Blackfalds Bingo for the entire month of June. Look for details and play bingo for a chance to win $50. Please continue to help our amazing local businesses stay resilient during the challenges of COVID-19 and during the reopening. By doing this, we can all make a positive contribution to our community. Any business who has questions as to how to get involved or even anything business related, please contact our Economic Development Officer or visit Business Resources Center at blackfalds.com. I'm sad to inform you that there will be no markets this summer. However, Blackfalds shoppers will soon be able to order from online farmers market with agricultural, greenhouse, handmade non-food products, commercially made products, and other commercial products for curbside pickup and or doorstep delivery. Blackfalds vendors with these types of products may also be added to bentleyfarmersmarket.com order by calling the market organizer at 403-848-1367. Remember, everyone is working together in their own way to move forward, and by being patient and kind to both yourself and to those who are doing the important job of bringing services to you, we will see our community come back stronger and better. I'll now pass things on to Ken Morrison, our Emergency Management and Protective Services Manager. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Poole. Good afternoon, everyone. With everything slowly opening back up, I just want to remind everyone that we're still under strict public health guidelines. What does this mean? The maximum amount of people for any gathering is still less than 15. If you cannot physically distance, I would ask, when out in public, please wear a mask. Anyone vulnerable needs to stay at home as much as possible. As of Thursday, May 14th, retail businesses selling clothing, books, and furniture, as well as museums, art galleries, and daycares can reopen everywhere in the province. I would encourage, if you feel sick, stay home, get well. There'll be another day for you to go out and shop. I would recommend doing any business dealing with the town online whenever possible. If you must come in person, please pay attention to the signs and floor directions that will be available. It is still going to take some getting used to, but this is a new normal for all of us. As Mayor Poole has mentioned, we are hosting a drive-in movie theater next Thursday, the 21st. And I just ask that everyone arrive in an orderly fashion and leave in the similar sort of fashion. I would also ask that you abide by all the rules that have been put in place. These rules were put in place by public health, and we are required to abide by them. And how we act on this occasion will determine whether we're able to do another such function similar. As we conclude Nursing Week, let's remember our nurses that have been out on the front lines throughout COVID-19 response. They've worked hard, tirelessly, late at night, early in the morning, and making sure that we stay healthy. Next week is Public Works Week. One of the many essential staff that have kept the town services going. You've seen them in the trucks and graders and bobcats roaming around town, making sure that our streets are clean and our essential services are working properly. I'm confident Albertans and Blackfalds residents will face relaunch with the same adaptability and resilience they've shown throughout this pandemic. As our public health officer stated, our own actions are the strongest tool we have to protect our healthcare system as we pull together to relaunch our economy and get our lives back to normal. We all have to get used to this new normal, but I know that Albertans are resilient, and when we work together, we will get through this pandemic a stronger community. Thank you very much, and stay healthy.